Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset your feed page on TikTok, also known as the For You page. It's very easy, very simple. This will change the game forever. Let's launch the TikTok app first. Then I want you to click on the lower right corner where you see your profile icon. Then I want you to click on the three straight lines on the top right corner. Then I want you to click on Settings and Privacy. Then I want you to scroll down to the section that is called Content and Display. Here guys, I want you to click on Content Preferences. When you're at Content and Preferences, you have to click on the option number 4, which is Refresh Your For You feed. When you click on this is what actually going to happen. TikTok will show you popular videos to launch your new feed and will simply give you different suggestions, different ads, different profiles that you might actually like. The more to this is essentially this will not affect your current feed. This will not affect your current inbox. This will not affect your current followers or your target audience. This means that if you previously posted the fishing videos and your audience was people who love fishing, this will not change the people who will see your content or your content will be recommended to. Let's click continue and let's refresh our FYP. Great. Do you want to give them some update? Useless content. That's about it. Continue. Ready to refresh your feed? Yes, absolutely. Boom. Our feed was just refreshed. Let's see what kind of content. You curious to see what kind of content we have? China stuff. Okay, eBay. David Ramsey. Some military stuff. Okay. That's about it, guys. This is how you refresh your FYP page on TikTok. For more tips and tricks like this, subscribe and follow for more.